Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to use the brand new app library in iOS 14. So first of all, go to the final page at the bottom and just swipe right one more time and you'll be brought to the app library. Now these folders are generated by Apple, you can't really change them. So we have suggestions, recently added, utilities, productivity, creativity, social. Depending on which app categories you will have different folders which will include them. So if you swipe down a bit more or you tap on the search button, you'll be brought to search. Now on the right, you can actually choose which letter to search up. So just hold and swipe. And so if I want M, I'll go right here and you can see mail, maps, measure, messages, and all that good stuff. Tap on this button and you can actually search for whichever app you want. So if I want iBooks or just books, you can see books will show up right here. I can tap on it to open up the app. Now what other people aren't talking about are these other features with the app library. So well, if I want to remove an app from my home screen but have it still in the app library, let's say speed test, I long press, I tap on remove app, but this time I tap on add to library right here, and then you can see it will not actually be removed from my device, it will just be removed from the home screen. So you can see speed test is still on my device, but it's not on the home screen. But we have a bit more features. So we can open up settings, we can find home screen, and new app downloads, you can choose whether it's added to the home screen or if it's in the app library only. So if I enable app library only, new downloads from the App Store or from third-party stores will only show up in the app library. This would be convenient if you want to keep your home screen minimalistic. Really, I know your taste, but that is a great add-on as well.